I tell you, still on the street channels of Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, and if they watch us on channel 195, start time. Make you not touch you that. The question when I carry enter street today now. No say federal government don't talk and say make everybody. If you not get prepaid meter, you not get any right, or NEPA not get any right, or PHC not get any right to go ask anybody for their bill. So as an individual, a person when they stay for this country, you need to get your prepaid meter. And if you don't get your prepaid meter, you need to use indirectly tell us more they use light free. The prepaid meter they no with free light. But if you don't get prepaid meter, but they use light free, still on the matter. I know say so many people they happy now. I say yeah, they want use light free now. But so many times, so many questions they come into my mind. How they tell they do the estimated bill? You know, just come check bill, you go just give person bill. Now better to PHC and they do. So many issues are going around the NEPA, formerly as we call it, PHC and Power Holding Company in Nigeria. So many issues they go on, so many questions. They will just come, then they rip off. Somebody go estimated bill. When we say yes, you ain't just get only one light. That's when they use one bulb for inside house. See the kind of bill when they give her. I don't go judge them. Still on the matter on street towns on Wazobia TV. That's why I make I enter street today. Make I talk to some people when they make things they happen for the country. As I talk like that, one Ogbenge man just waka come. Bros, how you doing now?
Yeah, good afternoon.
This one on Wazobia TV. I don't need too much English. Now just pidgin English. You don't hear the recently say federal government say if you not get prepaid meter, you are free to use free light. But you must get prepaid meter.
I never hear of it.
Never hear them. But definitely good. That prepaid meter, what you need to talk about the prepaid meter? Which you should get to talk about PHC and NEPA?
Well, to me, their services need to improve, and then the prepaid meter did better because now everything you use you go pay for. You know, so
because the way that they bring
estimated bill, you know, they affect people so many times. Some people they owe up to 200,000 sometimes. You know, they're not going to pay. They'll come cut their light for so many years. You know, so
did it don't affect you at all?
It don't affect me. Yes.
Several times I've been. Which ride they stay?
Go on estate, like better.
Go on estate, better. Yeah. Then they give you estimated bill.
Estimated bill, yeah.
Up till now for that big estate.
Of course.
All right, still on the matter on straight chance on Wazobia TV. Thank you very much, bros. It's too much. All right, back it there. All right, still on the matter on straight chance on Wazobia TV. Bro, how far come? Yeah, now you know, now so most people they see they're going to run, you know that kind of thing. Some people they see a camera. How far are you doing? No problem. Okay, they use prepaid meter from Wazobia TV. They use prepaid meter for NEPA.
I know use them.
You know they use them?
Yes.
You know, see as you know they use them, so federal government don't talk and say yes. If you not get prepaid meter, you are free to use life free. That will not be say most people no go buy the prepaid meter, but you must get your prepaid meter.
Are you preaching to me about it?
Yeah, I they ask you now.
I don't tell you my mind now.
You don't get them?
Yes, I don't.
But how you take the pay a NEPA bill?
I'm a tenant. My landlord did they pay.
Now your landlord they pay. They pay to your landlord.
Yes.
Inside the compound, how until you get.
Then they share them.
Then they share them. Okay, so they stay compound where they share light.
Yes.
Where they share light. Okay, you can see they say that can compound. You know good now.
Why?
Okay, they share them. Definitely, they share them. You go get one corner of the wall where they say they put meter.
Yes.
NEPA they call the meter.
They go come.
NEPA still they call the
Once
meter.
they call and they bring the meter now, we go share the money.
They bring the bill.
So we go share the money, then they go and bring the money.
But all those kind bill, all those kind meter no they work again now. How you tell how they give now an estimated bill they give you?
Whatever the case may be, they are bringing bill.
They are bringing
and I'm
bill.
not.
Then
They are
you
working.
Either
We are paying for their own. We are paying for their own job. Meanwhile, where I'm working, they are paying for me as my own token.
Okay.
So
where you they work now, they give you crazy salary.
Crazy salary. As I don't crazy for work, why they go crazy?
All right, still on the matter of straight out of Wazobia TV. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Now Wazobia TV, please.
Yeah,
bros, you hear about the paro about what did happen about the prepaid meter?
Prepaid meter. Well, I'm not using it for now. I'm not using it for now.
If you speak pidgin for me, Abeg.
Yeah, I'm not.
You know they use them.
I know they use them now. But the only problem I'm having from where I stay, I never see for the past 3 years I've been staying there. I never see NEPA bill for my life. They only come to tell me, landlady only come to tell me, your NEPA bill it is social amount, and I will pay without argument. So I don't just know actually what is happening with NEPA. And moreover, we don't see live. But when it is ending of the month, you will see 3 days live. After then, we pay. After payment, you won't see light again.
You won't see light again.
Yes, so that's what we are going through. I don't know what is happening.
I want to add the question, what they on board now? They say recently that they passed the bill, say make most people make you get your prepaid meter. But if you not get prepaid meter, NEPA not get right, or PHCN from any officials not get any right
for
to
me
come and
to
give
pay.
the bill. Yes. And what did
I'm just hearing now for the first time. Yeah.
So
Which means I should not pay again.
Now, if you get it, you hold your right, say yes, where they must pay that premium, and that makes them, go make them, seriously, go make them give her the prepaid meter, because I found out say the prepaid meter are free. Not be free. Now free supposed to be before, but I don't know whether that one, not today sure whether they go buy and one not. But when it come one time, they say now free.
And they should let us know whether it is free or buying.
Yes. There's not to buy. Most people need to get her so that they know they give you estimated bill.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Still
on the matter on Street Times of Wazobia TV. I start with one Bogi Maya. Visit the Mabele. No be yo. All right, still on the matter. Back it there. Okay, good afternoon, sir. All right, you go listen. When you listen, go do what they do. All right, Oga, what you did there be say? You don't hear about the prepaid meter recently. What did they talk about prepaid meter?
Yes, now I use prepaid meter now.
You did use prepaid meter in your house.
Yeah.
That's good. This one, I one example of person who say they use prepaid meter. How you feel the payment?
It's okay.
You don't like it?
Better.
Preferable than the meter, normal meter that is.
400% better.
100% better.
Yeah.
Still on the matter, still another quick there. Most of you now when they hear me for there, go and get your prepaid meter straight down. Not beside they do advert for them. Yeah. But that is supposed to be free, Abi.
The prepaid meter? Well, we pay some money to install. I don't know if it's free or not.
Well, you pay some money to install.
Yes.
But not that you pay higher amount.
Like
how much you pay that time?
Well, that was around 3-4 years ago. I can't exactly say that, but I know it was low. I don't know how much. Yes. That range. Yes.
Because that thing, from which I know, that is supposed to be free before. Not be so.
They never told us that.
All right, I'm still on the matter on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Street Yan, back it there. No prepare meter. NEPA not get right to collect bill for your hand. Still on the matter, back it there. Now the latest one they throw in now. If you, and they come. All right, still on the matter. I believe say this auntie will get idea about the prepare meter thing and all that. Hey, do. Now Baba Blue they blow now. Hey, do. That woman say no fit talk. Say because like say if she know the belly they one kind, I know that kind of thing. All right, this one I Wazobia TV. I deal with one mama here when we say yes, he say what use police carry me. And I want to talk to her before his police carry me now. Mama, they use prepaid meter for us. They use that. Why they use that? What you they use for NEPA? They just come give you bill, you pay.
Yes.
Estimated bill. Now they give crazy bill. All right, still on the matter. Quick, my guy, have fun now. Oh boy, yeah. I like this your black up and down. Where you they go now?
I do go Island.
Island, Abi. Where you they say they use prepaid meter?
Not they plan for them now, but they never use them.
They don't install them, but they never start.
They never start, yeah.
Let me say they pay crazy bill now.
No, that's based on the condition of the landlord and everything. They tie to the.
So this one another information I don't get to. So now most landlords now they pay NEPA bill now they'll collect money from tenants pay. Nothing will not go happen for this country. Dubious thing they happen for this. Dubious thing. Save journey. Enter well. Still on the matter on Street Times of Wazobia TV. People never really give me this normal clue of what I want. But I say this woman get idea. So when they like, Madam, how far are you there?
I'm fine.
Wazobia TV.
Okay.
All right, now pidgin English go talk. You don't use prepaid meter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't enjoy them, Abi?
Yes, sir. Very
how long you don't use that now?
2 years ago now.
2 years ago?
Yes, sir.
And no NEPA they come, they disturb
No.
you?
Very, very okay.
But you hear what they talk now recently say, if you know, if you not get prepaid meter,
Yeah.
if NEPA come, they not get right to drag you to cut your light.
Not at all, at all.
No.
No. The only thing I pray that the Lord will help our president nowadays.
So you dey enjoy life.
Yes.
Which area?
Agbado.
Agbado.
Yes.
But our village you dey still.
No.
All right, still on the matter on Straight Time. Thank you very much. You know, people with a different idea, different opinion, this and that. You know that kind of thing. Madam, Alpha.
I'm okay.
Prepay meter I dey use for your house.
Yes.
Oga, na prepay meter I dey use.
Robo.
Which one be robo?
Where is the question? Now so now.
Back to sender. Baba, I get you.
How do I sing it?
I get you.
I sing it.
Take it there. All right, still on the matter on Wazobia TV. Still on the Straight Times on Wazobia TV. Oga, Alpha. Yeah, I know. I need to, before I wrap up, I need to meet somebody. Yeah, I dey come. Bro, Alpha. Well done. You dey use a prepaid meter for us. Oh, you know what? I tell the hard NEPA till they give you bill.
Anything they bring.
Anything they bring you. What is it the right thing? Not be the right thing. So, but you know, say now, they don't put. You hear about the law they put now recently. So if you not get prepaid meter, if NEPA come into you, don't need to pay your bill.
I've not heard about it.
So you need to get your prepaid meter. You understand? But still on the matter, this information now, like say just enter town, just enter. Most people, you know, say most Nigeria, they tired to read. All they know now about business. Okay, no be so. When you read last,
They are busy.
yeah? When you read last,
I don't know.
you don't know. You not gonna know, but okay, when you collect money last.
I don't know.
All right, still on the matter, Straight Times on Wazobia TV. All right, y'all. What you do there, say, as you do like this, if you get your prepaid meter for us, good for you. If you not get, my brother, try get your own. But I don't really know whether na free or you must pay to get the prepaid meter. That's not the normal thing. But if what the federal government try to do that, if you not get prepaid meter and they bring bill for you, they not get right to give you bill when there's no prepaid meter. So indirectly, the federal government they tell NEPA people and PACN, make them work hard, make them try hard, make them try distribute the prepaid meter to everybody, individuals for Nigeria. They need to go on prepaid meter. That one will bring low cost and crazy bill. You go avoid crazy bill for Nigeria. Still on the matter on Straight Times on Wazobia TV. Quick it there. My name is MC Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Prepaid meter, no bill. Prepaid meter, no bill. No bill.